renowned author of technology books once said, we are moving into the era of big data where data is not the end, it is the beginning. With this note, let me share a few things today. When we are talking about the data, which is crucial for any organizations today, will only play very crucial, only become relevant when there is a data governance in place. So data governance play very significant role for overall data strategy, data storage, data analytics, and so on and so forth. So one of the most important component in overall digital transformation journey is data governance. Therefore, Azure has come up with data governance best practices and tools. There are few categories which has been divided as far as Azure data governance is concerned. One is management group, which makes sure that organizations hierarchies are in place as per the management groups. For example, you have a top management groups, which is an organization level, CEO level, and then there is an department level. Under department, there will be a sub-department level. So that management group will make sure that the resources and the level of access are equally divided or given access based on the certain roles in the management groups. Then policies, which also come under data governance, will make sure policies will make sure that certain groups and certain roles will able to access the certain resources. Therefore, there will be a chances of misuse of the resources will be very minimal. So second component is policies. First component is management group. Third component is blueprint. Azure blueprint will make sure that there is a policies, there is a users and roles, and how these users, roles, and policies can work together to make the resources end-to-end working. And third is cost management and billing. Cost management and billing is very important to take the holistic decision by the top management about the cloud resources that they have been leveraging for their solutions. So Azure tagging policies, Azure naming conventions, these all come under data governance or Azure data governance. So right tagging is very important, right subscription is very important. For example, dev, UAT, and prod, and best naming practices are very important, which can be attached to cost. Azure tagging will help you to find the cost with respect to the resources that you have leveraging. Azure tagging will help you to identify which is your dev environment and which is your QA environment and which is your prod environment. So Azure tagging and naming policies, Azure blueprint, Azure data management group, and Azure policies are the key four major components as far as Azure data governance is concerned. I hope I am able to explain at high level what is Azure data governance and why it is important today. With this note, this is Nirpa Chhetri signing out for today. See you in the next video.